Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV Q80A. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage expert sound settings. In the beginning, let's go to Sound, Settings and Sound. Go to Expert Settings and now you can change balance. You can adjust equalizer, enable or disable HDMI eARC mode, change digital output, enable or disable Dolby Atmos, auto volume, sound feedback, or you can reset the sound settings. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.